I'm going to be teaching you guys how to dupe revolver ammo, whatever. I have hard saying.
Wait for me!
Use your Mercedes car thing.
Okay.
Okay, I'll pull it up after. Okay. Okay. Where's the big chunk? No! My revolver!
Come here, boy.
This is like my 5th time throwing it.
Tokyo
I
Drift.
invisible. No.
Hey, what's up,
Get away!
I'm out.
Oh, he killed him. Grenade.
Oh, you killed him?
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you, son.
There's a grenade right there. So all out of ammo.
Where? I want an apple.
No, a grenade. So have a backpack.
My shield is rolling at you. My shield was just rolling.
You have to have 2 friends that doesn't take your revolver. So put right here.
Yeah.
Mash random keys. Or that's what I do. Okay, we're in. Go. Join room. Okay, then put it on your back. Do the same process. Okay, then join room again. Like obvious. Ugh.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Oh yeah.
if we go to, should
Let's go fight.
Should we try Armstrong again?
Yeah, let's see if his crate doesn't fall through the floor. Run past Queso Dupe.
Last time,
I think he's chasing us. He is not chasing us, okay.
yeah. I feel bad for little bro.
Why is this one just glitched in? Wow.
Should we put him out of his misery?
Yes, I think he has dislocation.
Ooh. He cooked up some
He's a
good
big
steak.
boy.
Yeah.
I think
Some good steak,
I think
though.
the dislocation made some money. Oh my god, umbrella.
There. Let's see. If it
I have
3,
stilts.
2, 1, ray gun. Ooh, shotgun ammo.
I have stilts.
So yeah.
I'm Mary Poppins.
So you could do this infinite times. Oh, he is really Mary Poppins. You could do this infinite times. I'll do this again to even show you it.
Oh god.
It worked. So I was freaking out a little bit. Hold on to this. Well, I put this in my back.
What?
The shotgun ammo.
Oh, you put it in your bag?
So.
Yeah.
Well, I forgot to put it right here.
Yeah.
Like, this is, like, very easy to do.
I have an apple. I have a green apple.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh, yeah.
Wow,
I have
green apple.
Yeah, I'm gonna go eat my green apple.
You know what? Put your hands up.
Oh, sorry. Yummy, yummy.
Oh, I think he put himself out of misery. So that's how to do a revolver glitch.